I want the power to destroy my enemies and to save my family.
Drink and become Dracula.
There's something different about you. I like it.
You think you know the story of Dracula? You have no idea.
Dracula Untold, rated PG-13.